For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
A public beta test was sent off for the Hedera Hashgraph organization, a circulated library with a pronounced throughput of 10,000 exchanges each second. The stage likewise sent off its own Hedera Hashgraph digital currency bar as well as a help for shrewd agreements and record stockpiling. Furthermore, there are as of now more than 3 dozen applications previously working on its premise. Hedera Hashgraph Review. Hashgraph, the Hbar blockchain, is a more proficient option to blockchain. It is likewise a dispersed vault, however one that utilizes an alternate approach to composing blocks. Rather than a reasonable grouping of blocks, blockchain, the Hashgraph utilizes a directed acyclic graph, DAG, which records data in a non-straight way, without a consecutive chain of blocks. Cryptographic forms of money, for example, IOTA, Byteball and Tangle are now working based on DAG. On account of DAG, the Hashgraph guarantees every one of the benefits of the blockchain, yet without its downside as low exchange speed. In its most broad structure, a Hashgraph agreement functions as follows. Swirlds conceded Hedera Hashgraph a selective permit, under which the organization will get 10% of Hedera Hashgraph's income. Hedera Hashgraph is a public foundation of Hbar's protected Hashgraph. From March to August 2018, the venture was directed by ECO, raising $124 million. SHA testing of the organization started in December 2018. The code was checked by a few review organizations, however just now the engineers have started public testing. Hedera Hashgraph presently offers 3 items, a digital currency, savvy contracts, and a document administration. Any client can make a record on the organization, open a record or make dApps in view of Hedera Hashgraph, having finished the KIC assessment. The organization upholds up to 10,000 exchanges each second, and its exchange affirmation time is 3 to 5 seconds. Savvy agreements and document administrations are likewise accessible on the Hedera Hashgraph organization, however up until this point their throughput depends on 10 exchanges each second, while the pronounced velocities will steadily increment, and the typical exchange charge will be $0.0001. Hedera Hashgraph, HBAR, Future Price Prediction. As usual, we need to caution you that you ought to accept all crypto cost expectations tentatively. That incorporates our Hbar cost forecast. The crypto market is just too unstable and the business excessively eccentric for any substantial expectations to be made. All things considered, it is as yet conceivable to make a few evaluations regarding what each coin or token's true capacity could be. How low might they at any point go? How high? Despite the fact that the sky is the limit, we don't feel that the Hedera Hashgraph cost gets an opportunity to reach $100 sooner rather than later. In any case, this digital currency actually has a few decent long-haul possibilities. Its past cost activity demonstrates that Hbar coin is probably going to encounter some sluggish however predictable development throughout the following couple of years, and may try and go up to as high as $3, at any rate assuming the most hopeful Hedera Hashgraph gauge is to be accepted. Heteroprice Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Hedera costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Hedera will be $0.090. The most extreme level that the Hbar cost can reach is 10 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.094. Hbar price forecast for August 2022. In view of the value variances of Hedera toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Hbar pace of $0.083 in August 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0.075 and at $0.085, separately. September 2022, Hedera price forecast. Digital money specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the Hbar cost in September 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.082, while the greatest could reach $0.089 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Hedera may be around $0.085. Bar price forecast for October 2022. Crypto experts have actually looked at the value variances of Hedera in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal bar rate they anticipate may be around $0.089 in October 2022. It can drop to $0.086 as a base. The greatest worth may be $0.094. November 2022, Heteroprice forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the bar cost will be exchanged at $0.090 by and large. November 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Hedera worth to $0.098. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.087 in November 2022. Bar price forecast for December 2022. Crypto specialists have dissected Hedera costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to December 2022, $0.094. The least and pinnacle bar rates may be $0.090.10. Heteroprice Prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Hedera in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Hedera will be around 13 cents. The greatest expected bar cost might be around 16 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost may be 13 cents in 2023. Heteroprice Prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Hedera, in 2024, Bar is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 19 cents and 22 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 20 cents. Heteroprice Prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have broke down the costs of Hedera and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base bar cost could drop to 28 cents, while its most extreme can reach 33 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around 29 cents. Heteroprice Prediction 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Hedera by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least bar costs are normal in 2026, 48 cents and 39 cents. Overall, it will be exchanged at 40 cents. Heteroprice Prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the vacillations of Hedera. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical bar cost will be around 62 cents. It could drop to at least 60 cents, yet it actually could reach 68 cents all through 2027. Heteroprice